The whole "what language did Adam and Eve actually speak" puzzle has been intriguing folks for ages. The Bible doesn't give us a straight answer, so we're left with our own interpretations and theories. All right, let's dive into some of the leading ideas about Adam and Eve's language. First up, Theory 1. Adam and Eve spoke Hebrew. This one's a crowd favorite, mainly because the Hebrew Bible itself is, well, in Hebrew. It kind of makes sense that God would talk to them in Hebrew. Plus, there are some clever wordplays in the Genesis account that only work in Hebrew, but there are a few hiccups. The Hebrew Bible was written way after Adam and Eve's time, so the language could have changed a lot, and some reckon Hebrew wasn't fully developed back then. Theory 2. Adam and Eve chatted in a Proto-Semitic language. This theory suggests they spoke a hypothetical language that's like the ancient ancestor of modern Semitic languages. Some clues, like the similarity between the Hebrew and Arabic words for woman, support this. Still, it's not without its challenges. There's no direct proof of this ancient Proto-Semitic language, and some experts argue the similarities in Semitic languages could be from sharing and contact rather than a shared origin. Then there's a bunch of other ideas. Some think they spoke a language that was absolutely perfect, while others reckon it was a special gift from God. And a few believe it got lost in the Tower of Babel shuffle. So the big reveal: what language did Adam and Eve really use? Truth is, we're in the dark. But hey, that doesn't stop us from throwing around some intriguing speculations. The question is still buzzing in the minds of scholars and theologians even today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below. God bless you.